आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello, welcome to Doubtnut. In this question given, if a sin x plus b cos x plus theta plus b cos x minus theta is equal to d, then minimum value of mod of cos theta is equal to. Okay, given condition is a sin x plus b. Okay, cos x plus theta can be written as cos x into cos theta minus of sin x into sin theta plus b into cos c minus d can be written as cos x into cos theta plus sin x into sin theta, and this is equal to d theta. Okay, then we can write a sin x plus b cos x into cos theta minus of b sin x into sin theta plus b cos x into cos theta plus b sin x into sin theta is equal to d. Okay, b sin x sin theta plus b sin x sin theta is cancel out. Then we can write a sin x plus b cos x into cos theta, and b cos x into cos theta is 2b cos x into cos theta is equal to d, and we have to find the minimum value of cos theta. Then sin x and cos x is converted into tan x. Okay, then a into sin half angle, then we can write 2 into tan x by 2, 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 2b into cos x. The value of cos x can be written as 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2 into cos theta is equal to d. Okay, then we can write 2a into tan x by 2 plus 2b minus 2b tan square x by 2 into cos theta is equal to d plus d into tan square x by 2. Okay, and this can be written as tan square x by 2, taking common out, then d plus 2b cos theta. Okay, because 2b tan square theta into cos theta, taking this side. Okay, then minus of 2a tan x by 2 plus d minus 2b cos theta is equal to 0. Okay, this is quadratic in tan square x by 2. Okay, and tan x by 2 is real, then discriminant is greater equal 0. Okay, then discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Okay, the value of b is minus 2a. Okay, then b square is 4a square minus 4 into d plus 2b cos theta into d minus 2b cos theta is greater equal 0. Okay, then this is equal to 4a square minus 4 into a plus b and a minus b. This is equal to d square minus 2b into cos theta to the whole square is greater equal 0. Taking 4 is common out, then we have only a square minus d square minus 4b square cos square theta greater than 0. Then a square minus d square plus 4b square into cos square theta greater than 0. Okay, then 4b square into cos square theta is greater equal d square minus a square. Okay, then cos square theta is greater equal d square minus a square upon 4b square. Okay, then mod of cos theta is greater equal root under d square minus a square upon 2 of mod b, and this is the required condition. Okay, mod of cos theta is greater equal root under d square minus a square upon 2b. Okay, and when we see the option of this question, then option A 1 by 2b into root under d square minus a square. Okay, then option A is the right answer of this question. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।